This is going to be a video tutorial on how to install Reddit as a desktop app. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. Don't pay any attention to how cluttered it is. I have a lot of stuff on my desktop. But if you look right up this way, I have a Reddit app here on my desktop. If I open that app, I'm going to double click on it to open it. It opens as an app. It still has all the features that you would see in a browser or anything like that. The way to do this, I'm going to close this out. I'm going to delete the app. I'm going to start over on it. I'm going to show you how to do this using the Chrome web browser, and I'm going to show you how to do it using the Edge web browser. I will start off by using the Chrome web browser. I'm going to open up Chrome. I'm going to go to Reddit. You want to go to Reddit and you want to log into Reddit. Next thing you want to do, you can go up to the address bar up here. You'll see a little icon up here. If you put your mouse cursor over that icon, it says Install Reddit. If you click on this, a little dialog box opens up asking you if you want to install it. Another way to do it on Chrome, I'm going to hit Cancel. Another way to do it is to go off to the upper right hand corner to the three-dot menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Cast, Save, and Share. Then you'll go straight off to the left and right down here, Install Reddit. Now using the Edge web browser, I'm going to switch over to Edge. I already have Reddit opened up on my browser. I'm already logged into it. If you go up to the top up here, up to the address bar, you'll see a little icon here. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says App Available, Install Reddit. Or you could go off to the three-dot menu on the right side, click on that. Then you'll go down to where it says Apps. And then you'll go straight off to the left where it says Install Reddit. I'm going to click on Install Reddit here. A little dialog box opens up asking me if I want to install it. I'm going to click on Install. Now quickly it already has opened up, and there's another little dialog box here asking me where do I want to pin the icon. Pin to taskbar, pin to start, create desktop shortcut. I'm going to go with create desktop shortcut. I'm going to take these other two off. You just have to use your own preference on this. And then I'm going to click on allow. Now Reddit has become a desktop app. I'm going to close this out. Go back to my desktop here. And you can see I have the Reddit app right here. Now if I go to my installed apps, I'm going to go to Add or Remove Programs, Installed Apps. I'm going to give it a second to populate. I'm going to scroll down to the R's. And right here is Reddit. It is installed as an app on my device now. That is how to install Reddit as a desktop app. Thanks for watching.